Hello everybody, welcome to this next video on the course of Introduction to Probability. So in this video we are going to discuss a very important puzzle which is called the Monty Hall problem. This is based on an American game show. The host was, his name was Monty Hall, that is why this problem is called Monty Hall problem. So what exactly this problem is? So the problem is that you have three gates. So you have gate number 1, gate number 2 and gate number 3. Okay. And you are told that a prize is equally likely to be found behind any one of 3 closed doors in front of you. Right. So there is a, suppose you have a car and 2 sad faces. Right. So behind one door you have a beautiful car, beautiful and luxurious car, and behind 2 doors you have this sad smileys. Right. So and the car can be equally likely behind any of the 3 doors. Right. So there is nothing biasness. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to point to one of the doors. So your step 1 is that you will choose one of the 3 doors. You can choose any one of the 3 doors. And then once you have chosen one door, say for example I choose door 2, say example you choose door 2, then a friend who knows that what is behind the other 2 doors, he will open out of 1 and 3. So whatever the 2 doors are left, he will open one door which is not containing the car, which is not having the price. Okay, so did you get it? So you had 3 doors in the beginning. You don't know anything about the price. Where is the price? So suppose you choose one, and now your friend, he will go behind the doors. He will see what is there, and he will open the one door which for sure is not having the price. So suppose he opened it. Okay, then you are asked to whether you want to stick with your original choice, that your initial choice, or you want to switch. Okay, so once your friend has opened the door, you are asked to whether stick to your initial choice or you can switch. So here you have a stick or switch situation, right? So you can either stick to your original choice, whatever you have chosen, or you can switch to the other unopened gate. Okay, and you win the prize if it lies behind your final choice of the door. So if the door which you have finally chosen, it has the prize, then you win it. Okay, it doesn't matter what was your initial choice. Okay, now first question is which strategy you have to choose. So we have one is stick to your initial choice. So we have these 3 strategies. So one is stick to your initial choice, and the second one is switch to the other unopened door. So first we will compare these two, that out of these 2 choices which one is better. So I'll give you 1 minute because this is very simple and I want you to figure out that what should be the answer. Out of these 2 strategies, can you tell me which one is the right strategy? Which one you should actually go for? Where is the more probability of winning, right? Okay, you can pause the video and you can write in the comment box your answers, that whether strategy A is better or strategy B is better, right? We'll discuss about C later on. Okay, so you see in strategy A, if you stick to your initial choice, now you see you have 3 doors, right? And because the probability of the price is equally likely, so this is 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. So whatever, suppose I choose door 1, right, and then I don't switch, whatever happens I don't switch, then the probability of winning is 1 by 3. Okay, so in this case, when you stick to your initial choice, probability of winning is 1 by 3. Do you understand why? Because probability of a prize behind any of the doors is 1 by 3 and you don't switch. So it means that no matter what happens, there is a probability of 1 by 3 for your winning. Okay. Now let us look at the second strategy. switch to the other unopened door. Now in this case, can you tell me what will be the probability of winning? Now you see, you have 1, 2 and 3. So what you are doing here, suppose you chose this one. So probability of the price is 1 by 3 and rest of the probability is here 2 by 3. Right? Now because your friend opened the door which is not containing the price, it means that probability 2 by 3 is now for this particular door which is unopened. So it means that if you choose to switch, then your probability of winning is 1 by 3, 2 by 3, right? Why? Because here the probability of winning was 1 by 3. Now the 2/3 probability of winning, which was actually concentrated on the two doors, and because your friend opened one of the door which is not containing the price, so it means that there are 2 by 3 chances that your price is behind the door 3. It means that if you will switch, your probability of winning is 2 by 3. So it means that switching is a better strategy. So out of stick or switch, you have to choose switching, right? Okay, so this was what was there in the game, right? Now we have another strategy C, and we have to compare it with A and B. So out of A and B, B is better. So we don't have to compare C with A, because out of A and B, we have already chosen that B is better. Now we have to see out of B and C which one is better. Now you see, what is B and C? What is C? C is you first point to door 1. It means that your initial choice is door 1. If door 2 is opened, you do not switch. If door 3 is opened, you switch. Then you have to find out what is the probability of winning in this case. Here we have to make some cases, because as such we cannot compute the probabilities. Now you see, here we are saying that we are choosing door 1. So this is our initial choice. Door 1 is your initial choice. Initial choice. Right. Okay. Now assume that if you see, if the price is behind door 1, if the price, this is case 1 I am saying, because I am making extra assumption. If the price is behind door 1, your friend always chooses door 2, because if the price is behind door 1, then your friend can open door 2 or 3, because both these doors, they don't have price behind that, right? So but we assume that our friend will always open door 2. Let us see what happens in this case. Okay, in this case, if price is behind 1, your friend opens 2, and you see, if door 2 is opened, you do not switch. You do not switch, and it means that you stick to your initial choice, that is 1, and price is behind 1. So it means that you win. Okay. So this is a case we are assuming, and then we have 3 possibilities. So one is that price is behind door 1. Second is, if price is behind door 2. Now can you see what will happen in this case? The price is behind door 2. Already you have chosen door 1. So your friend, he is not having any choice. He has to open door 3, because he has to open the one which is not containing the price, and he cannot open door 1 because that is your initial choice. Out of the left 2 doors, he has to open one. So because price is already behind 2 and he can see it, so he will open door 3. So if the price is behind door 2, friend will open gate 3, and if gate 3 is open, you switch. That is the strategy. You switch. So it means that you choose your initial choice was 1, and because your friend opened gate 3, you will choose 2. Okay, it means that you win because price is behind 2, right? Okay, now in third case here is if price is behind 3. In this case, you see what will happen. Price is behind 3, so friend has to open gate 2. Friend opens gate 2 and you do not switch. You do not switch and you lose. It means that out of the 3 possibilities, 2 times you win and 1 times you lose. So it means that in this case, probability of winning is 2 by 3. It means that in this case, for this case, this strategy is as good as the strategy number B. Okay, now let us make another case. Another case is case 2 I am making. If the price is behind door 1, your friend always chooses to open door 3. If price is behind 1, your friend always opens gate 3. So now you see what happens. So if in this case, further we have sub cases. If price is behind 1, so it means that friend will open gate 3. Friend opens 3. You switch and you lose, because after switching you will choose 2 and price is not behind 2. So you lose. And then if price is behind 2, price is behind 2. So in this case, the friend he is not having any choice, right? Because out of 2 and 3, he can see which one is having the price. So he has to open 3 and you switch. So initial choice was your door number 1. Now you switch. So you win because your final choice is door number 2, because 3 is being opened by the friend. And if price is behind 3, your friend opens 2 and you do not switch, and you lose. So it means that in this case, the probability of winning is 1 by 3, because out of 3 possible outcomes, you lose 2 times. So probability of winning is 1 by 3. So it means that because for the strategy B, probability of winning is always 2 by 3. But for strategy C, we have shown that it depends on some extra information. In one of the cases, the probability of winning is same as in strategy B. But in another case, the probability of winning is less than as in strategy B. Therefore, strategy B is best. Strategy B is best. Right. So it means that out of stick and switch or any combinations, switching is always best. But I want to make it a point that it does not mean that you will always win. Right? If you switch, you always win. No. The probability will increase that you will win if you switch, right? But it does not guarantee that you will win 100%, right? Because the price can be behind your initial choice as well, right? So this was the famous Monty Hall problem, which is based on this computing the probabilities, which we are doing for quite some time now, right? I hope you are enjoying this subject. This is very interesting, and we are going to dig deep into this subject, and we hope that we learn well. Thank you for watching this video, and please share this video and subscribe to this channel. Do write your comments in the comment box, and if you have any doubts, you can also write those doubts in the comment box. Thank you.